Wouldn't it be great to increase your average repair order? Well, now you can. It's as simple as using our customizable digital inspection program. Hi everyone, I'm Danielle Krell, the communication specialist here at Bolt-On Technology, to show you a little bit more about what our digital inspections can do for you.
We're averaging about $540 an RO, so we're almost $200 better than national average just by using digital inspection. I mean, there's no secret, it's the pictures. That's the selling feature.
Don't just tell your customers what's wrong with their car. Show them with photos and videos in their inspection that you can send a link to their phone so they can view the entire report.
We did an inspection, the technician wrote everything down on paper, and it was our job to really call and walk the customer through the process. But you know, there's no trust there. Now that we can provide all these images, it's really a driving force in helping a shop increase their average RO.
For more information, you can just contact a sales representative today.